Hello everyone, my name is Vasil and I am the 2024 SA State Conference convener. Alongside my organising committee, we have been putting together UN Youth South Australia's first event for 2024. We are so excited to share what's in store for you this year.
SA State Conference is a residential event that brings students from years 9 to 12 together from all over the state to learn about leadership, diplomacy and advocacy. Across 3 exciting days, our conference gives you a taste of everything that our organisation has to offer. You'll participate in constructive conversations on topics spanning global affairs, civics, education, economics and much more. You'll leave the conference with more knowledge on the issues today and with the motivation to lead change both in your community and on a global scale.
The SA State Conference will take place from the 1st to the 3rd of March at the Ryan Mills Centre in Woodhouse Adventure Park. It is an amazing opportunity for you to immerse yourself with the beautiful nature of the Adelaide Hills, participate in some awesome activities while forming friendships with a diverse range of students along the way.
The theme this year is the future of your democracy. You'll learn about how new technologies have changed how people interact with society, their community, and politics today. We will unpack the impacts of mass and online media on the democratic process. The conference will explore themes like the threat of polarisation and the strength of democracy and rule of law in the evolving global context. Delegates will participate in a range of interactive problem-solving activities, workshops, speaker panels, and a Model UN debate. You will leave the conference with a wealth of new knowledge and perspectives on the future of your democracy.
This weekend isn't just about learning though. Our itinerary is filled with lots of fun activities as well. We're going to be tackling an obstacle course, a maze, a waterless water slide and so much more. If you're not really into the physical activities, you should look forward to our trivia competition, our board games night and our disco, so get excited.
The cost to attend is $205 and it includes accommodation, catering and all activities. We would love to support your attendance in any way we can and encourage you to apply for our full and half accessibility scholarships, available through our partnership with the United Nations Association of Australia SA branch. If you are a young person from the Adelaide Hills, you should also apply for one of our subsidised spots provided by the Adelaide Hills Council.
SACON has so many benefits, such as networking opportunities, expansion of knowledge, and being around like-minded people. Attending SACON has made such a life-changing experience for us, making friendships for life while actively participating in our community. To apply, head to our website down below.
With that being said, how cool would it be to earn SACE credits for attending UN Youth events like the State Conference? That's right, UN Youth Global Citizenship Award is a SACE recognised program that allows students the opportunity to receive 10 SACE credits to go towards their certificate. Here is a list of events that delegates can participate in to receive their 10 SACE credits. What's even better is that you can start earning SACE points before you begin Year 11, as the State Conference, along with many other events, welcome Year 10 students too. Speak to your school's SACE coordinator today and contact this email for more information.
There is so much more we can share, but we might save that for when you arrive at Woodhouse. Have a look through our website, tell your teachers, grab a friend, and sign up now until the 25th of February. We'll see you at conference.